Hi friends, welcome to Excel Guru Rajinikanth. Here I'm going to teach you some amazing thing. That is, my mouth is not proper. I don't know why it's happening to me. Okay, lift off. Okay, so here I'm going to explain you two things. And after solving these two queries, I will give you one solution. You have to find. I'll give you one query. You have to find that solution for that. Right now, one of the guy asked this query to extract data like this. See, after 57, automatically 34 should come, and again it should repeat like this. After 69, 32 has to come. After 69, okay. 69, where is 69? 56, 39, 13 after 13, where it is section? 32, see. Okay, it has to extract like this. My mouse is not proper, so I'm maximum I'll try to use with keyboard only. So first of all, it has to extract this one. Later, it has to start from here. Later, it has to start from here. Later, it has to start from here. Means what you have to do this for that. So here I'm going to show you. See here what I actually the condition is. See here first I'll zoom a little bit. First row, first column. Second row, first column. Third row, first column. Fourth row, first column. Fifth row, first column. Sixth row, first column. Seventh row, first column. Eighth row, first column. After coming here, what will happen? Second row. Yes. Second row, second column. Second row, first column like this. First row, second column. Second row, second column like this. So here you have to, column is second column and row is 1, 1, 2. Row 1, column 2. Row 2, column 2. Row 3, column 2. The column is stable. It has to repeat 8 times. Right. So here I am going to show you some amazing thing. You have to keep concentration on this. So first of all, we'll extract the row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Here it is. Okay. So what I'll do, first of all, I'll use the rows function, that is $3 colon J3. Right. So it is not a proper one. So don't use this one. Okay. Because it will increment numbers. But we need still 8 only. Not the whole numbers. We need still 8 only. After 8, in place of 1, in place of 9, it has to come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. So what I'll do here, instead of that, the total 8 are there. Na? So what I'll do, I'll use the more function, comma, we have to divisible by 8 because 8 rows are there. See what will happen. Control D, control backspace. See, in place of 0, in place of 8, it is coming 0. So here 8 should come and here 0 has to come. Here 8 and here 0. In this place, in one place it has to come 0 and here 8. So what I'll do here, I'll simply use -1. See, what happened? It has to come. Wait a minute, my mouse is not working properly. Control D. So 0. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll just -1. Control D. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See. Okay, if you have a doubt, ask me. Now coming to the column part. The rows part is over. Now we have to use the column part. How you will do the column part? Now I'll show you the same function where you have to use the rows k dollar 3 colon k3. Okay, it will give increment. Okay, my mouse is not working. I don't know why my mouse is not working. See, it will increment, but we want 1 1 1 1. It has to repeat 8 times, all once. Okay, so what I'll do here, I'll use one function. Before that, I'll divisible by 8. So let's see what will happen. Control D, control backspace, and now see 0.125, all it will take all integers, and in place of 1 it has to come 0 here. See how I'll do. What I'll do here, -1, control enter, double click. See, 1 is in place of 0 it has came 1, and here 0. So what I'll do, I'll use int function, int of this whole thing, control enter. No need to worry, I'll explain you. First of all, let me show you this. 0 is repeating 8 times. So what I'll use, I'll just add 1. 1 is repeating 8 times, and 2 is repeating 8 times, 3 will repeat 8 times. So this scenario I will use over here. See how I'll do here is equal. First of all, what I'll do, in place of again doing, just I'll copy. To open copy clipboard, you have to type Control C twice. Control C twice to open a copy clipboard. Control C. See. First of all, I'll clear it all. Control C only once. Okay. And I'll drag and I'll escape, and I'll come to here, F2. Again the same thing. Control shift down arrow, because mouse is not working, so I'm using keyboard. Control C. Okay, it is copied. Now what I'll do here, index of F4, comma, the row part is the mod function, mod. In place of J, you have to use the F $2. F $2. Here also F2. Okay. And now coming to the column part, int. Here also the same thing, you have to use F. Okay. F $, not 3, it is 2. It is 2. Okay, it is 2. And close parenthesis. Control enter. And I'll use the keyboard. I'll drag formula. I'll drag it. Just I will use Control D. Here reference errors are there. So why? Because there is no numbers after 68. After 68 there is no numbers over there. See, for that reason it is showing reference error. To rid of reference error, what you have to do? You have to use that one function, that is if error. If you find any error of this, or another one is also there. I'm using, because it's not an array function, it's a normal function only. For that reason I'm using if error. If it's an array function, I'm having another method, right? So here what I'll do, Control enter, Control shift down arrow, Control D. See, all are there. Likewise, see, 56, 39, 64. Here you'll see. After 57, again 34, 33, 86, like this. Okay, if you have any doubt, ask me. Now, I am asking how to extract the smallest to largest. So I'll hide these both things. 1 second. Height. How to extract smallest to largest? It's very easy, guys. Use the small function. So many methods are there, but I am using this method. Copy the data, select the data, control F4 to lock all sides, and when I press 1, it will give you first the smallest. So I want to drag the formula till our whole range. I mean till all those things. So what I'll use here, rows, open the bracket, $3 colon L3. Here I will use that formula, which it's not an array function. You can use it. Now here I will not choose. Here still Control D. Okay, smallest to largest. It will extract smallest to largest. See. If you find any error, so what you have to do this one. What I'll do, if rows $3 colon L3 is greater than, there are numbers, so I'll use count F2. Wait a minute, it's not selected. Wait a minute. F4 greater than counter F4, then blank, else run this formula. That's it. F2, here you have to use control enter, down arrow, you can make it as much as you can, control D, C. Okay, smallest to largest. Same like that, you can use what you in place of small. If you want largest to smallest, so use this one. Large, control enter, control shift down arrow, control D. It will extract largest to smallest. Right. And here I am giving you one query which I am going to post in my Telegram group. If anybody wants to join, in description you will find the Telegram group link. You can join over there and you will find this query. Okay. You have to extract only here there. Extract decimal and non-decimal numbers like this. How to extract only decimal numbers? Only decimal numbers. Here only non-decimal numbers. So how you will do this one? If it is raw data like this, if it is one side, I can, but it is two sides like this, like a table. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. Have a nice day.